Incremental greetings. Let's continue with the Supermemo Course Pleasurable expansion. In this case, it's about the license key.
Now you have bought Supermemo and you have your password.
Not necessarily. So yes, when you buy the Supermemo key, first, it's not automatic. It's not automated for whatever reason. A Supermemo employee, sometimes even Piotr Wozniak himself, will send the key by email. And again, for whatever reason beyond my comprehension, they are using their servers that they block a lot of incoming email. This has been known for ages, and they have taken no action. Don't ask me why. So long story short, many people will never get the key because this email is being blocked. They will never reach. Then if you send an email to the Supermemo help and so on, hey, I didn't get my key, it's very likely that your mail is also blocked. Those don't reach their servers. I have some videos that I will show you at the end of this video, what you can do, but this is very likely you will face. There's nothing I can do to prevent that. So it is extraordinarily unbelievable. They have this extremely poor customer support. But once you get through that, at least you can forget it. Then you own the software, and you have the license key. You will only have to worry this again once you have a new computer, a new hardware.
I'm not gonna explain that step because it's very easy. You just put in your password, and
Yes, inputting the password is really easy. What's hard is to actually get it.
I'm gonna show you what you'll say as soon as you install Supermemo. There is no hard procedure about the installation, so if you have any problem, write them down in the comments, but I'm just gonna show you, okay? Okay, so as soon as you start, what she'll say.
That's the first time we see the Supermemo software. And yeah, in his case, he already has the collection unlocked, by the way.
Is this. So, what is this? And it's not probably gonna be with this specific design, but
okay, he meant how actually what you will see regarding to Supermemo, not the key on the email and so on, not what they thought. Okay, then I suggest this video. No activation key for Supermemo 19 yet. Solutions to get it. First, you need more than one. You need one per every computer you may want to use Supermemo. How to request it? Then in Supermemopedia, we have seen that, by the way. It's a reason to create an account, just for this. Example, and how to input it. It's there. Let me go quickly. It's quite sad, but just to prove a point, look. This is what people are editing. Why don't you answer my emails? Why don't you answer my emails? And it's always the same thing. Orders that they don't get their key. I'm sorry. The only thing I can tell you is to have patience. It's terrible. It's hard to understand how they still are alive, because it's actually terrible. So even if you don't have the license key yet, you can still follow this course, and eventually when you get it, it's very likely you will get the 100%. So you'll have to tolerate the horizontal bar that they ask you for the license key, but it's just a matter of days. Do not worry. See you in the next video.